Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have here, check this out, this is an outdoor cam. This is the model K1Pro, Shenzhen Wisden Commercial and Trading Company, I guess is what it is. But it's GNCC brand, and we're gonna check this thing out. I am in my apartment here, so I will not be installing an outdoor camera here, or my neighbors would probably be pissed. But let's check this out. I'm gonna probably end up using this at my fiance's house or something, but let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna open up the box and show you guys everything that's in it here. So let's see, we have a box that says accessories. Let's see what the accessories are. Okay, so the accessories are the screws to mount it and the USB block here. So that's what the accessories consist of. And then we have the camera itself. Let's check this out. This is what it looks like here. So this is it. This is the camera here. You can see there's the camera, and then we have a couple of antennas that I guess are little rotatable antennas. I guess you can put them up and down and however you want to put them to get this wherever gets the best signal. Okay, so that's that, and then we have the wire here, and then it connects up to the USB box. So we'll plug it in here in a second, and we'll try to set it up on my iPad or something. And then we have here the, let's see what else is in here. Anything else in here? I guess not. This is the box. It's empty now with the plastic and the accessory box and the other plastic. Okay, and then this here is going to be the mounting thing here, so you can see the screws. So you can tape this on the wall, drill your holes, and then screw it in. And I'm not going to be screwing it in now, like I said. And then we have the wire here that I just tangled up. But I'm going to guess by the length of this here is probably 5 feet. It's probably a 10-foot wire, would be my guess. And let's plug it in and see what we get here. Okay. We're at, oh, take off the little plastic on the front. So, and then we have, what's that? We have a place for, up at the top, you see there's a place for an SD card and probably a reset button up there. And it looks like it's gonna rotate and pan and tilt. Oop, it's turning right now. You see, it looks like a little face, it's cute. Okay, so let's see how we set this thing up. So here is the manual. You can see this. It's very, looks like it's got a lot of QR codes, but I'm guessing it's all in different languages. Yes. So there's really only one section here for English, which is what I speak. So we're gonna scan that and move it forward. If I can turn on my iPad. Okay. Okay, so I clicked it, and we'll go to the App Store, and we'll do get. It's called OSAIO, and I have to add my password. I don't even know what my password is. I think this is it, signing into my Apple. Okay, so it looks like it's downloading now. So let me put the little cover thingy back on in here. I don't have an SD card in here right now, clearly. This is kind of cool looking. And by looking at the front of it, I see those little 3 things there. It's not a smiley face, those are night vision lights. Okay, so here, let's open up the app. So now we are opening it. And it says, we want to allow it to track stuff, agree to all the privacy stuff, and start to use. I guess I have to sign up. Let me create an account here real quick. Sign up. Country, USA. Oh, I sent myself a code. I wonder if it's gonna show up somewhere. Problem is I haven't used this iPad in a while, so like my email's not loading yet. It normally should be quicker. Okay, 401971. 401971. Now, if you guys ever try to log in as me and do that code, you'll end up with me. All right, you'll see all my stuff. Let's see, what password should I use? Let's, use one of my kids' names. Okay, so here, we would like to use Bluetooth, yes, and allow while using the app. Send me notifications, sure. Okay, so now we want to add a device. Oh, what is this device again? It's the GK1. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can see all this stuff here. I'll move a little closer. So we want to go to the, I guess, K1. Don't remind me again. And accept. Okay, we provide 2 modes of network distribution. Choose according to your needs. Okay, do we see a red light flashing on here? We do. You see there's a little red light flashing? It says if there's a red light flashing, we're good. And then I have to put in my password for my Wi-Fi. And then here's the QR code. So I just want to aim this at the QR code. And it says, when the LED indicator turns green or white, please go to the next step. Oop, I heard a ding. I don't see. Oh, my problem is I'm colorblind. I don't know what color that is flashing now. I don't know if it's flashing green or white. Or if it's still red. I'll just try. I'm gonna hope that it did it. Uh-oh. That's one problem with the colors. So here we are, we're trying to get it going here. It says connecting.
Pairing was successfully.
Pairing was successful, sweet. Okay, so we're gonna call this one, whatever, baby room. We just had those choices on there, I chose baby room. And swipe to see more. Okay, done. And let's see what we got here. Oh, and there we are. So check it out, now it's already on. There, so let's see if we do the video. So there is the camera. So there we go. So you can see I'm aiming it probably upside down here. So here we go. So that's my room. Very cool. So that worked. It was pretty easy to set up. You saw how quick that set up. Let's see what other features we can get on here. If I go out of it, what does this one do? Oh, check it out. So when I move, I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna put this on the box so you guys can see how it works. Okay, so I have it here, right? So now I have my camera here and I can touch on the screen, I think is what it was. What was it doing? Yeah. And you see the camera's moving as I do this? Oh, if I go here this way, oh, and then that way. You see as it's moving, it's videoing, so it's moving the camera as I move my finger around, so you can just check the different areas. So how cool is that? So it works really good, super easy. I mean, you saw how it was. We're like 5 minutes in this video and I've already got it all working. So just need to mount it up to the wall and it's good to go. So I'm gonna say this thing is super awesome, super easy. I mean, look at that, 5 minutes, thumbs up for sure. Very awesome. The outdoor cam K1Pro. I mean, pick this up. You're gonna get this thing working in 5 minutes. I didn't even have the app installed or anything. I'd never even used it. I opened it up from the box and we got it all going that fast. So definitely awesome. Thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description so you guys can pick one of these up. The GNCC, very cool. Okay, love it. Okay, thanks, bye.